Let's talk about real estate because hindi lahat ng naririnig mo dito sa Pilipinas about real estate is totoo. 3 real estate myths here in the Philippines. Myth number 1, kailangan mong maging milyonaryo para makabili ng property. Ang totoo, hindi mo kailangan ng milyong-milyong pera o cash para magkaroon ka ng property. Ang kailangan mo lang ay isang stable income, good planning, and knowing your financial options. A lot of people or Filipinos buy their properties through loans. So, steady lang, 'di ba? Dahan-dahan, onti-onti nababayaran. Myth number 2 is lupa lang ang magandang investment. Yes, land can grow in value over time, pero hindi lang yan yung nag-iisang option. Meron pa rin namang condos, mga rental properties, and even yung mga small na starter homes. Kaya din naman yan mag-work kung depende sa goal mo, 'di ba? Kung nagka-cash flow sila, depende rin sa location and convenience. And myth number 3, pag may bahay ka na, mayaman ka na. Ibig sabihin na pagkakaroon ng bahay is kailangan, yun yung sukatan ng pagiging mayaman. Alam nyo yan. Real wealth is having a home without sacrificing your peace, things, and your daily life. So na lang, thanks for watching. If you want more contents like this, please do like and follow.